Hey guys, welcome back. This is Microsoft Engineer Khalid, and in today's video, we'll make a program regarding operators in C language. So stay tuned with me so that you cannot miss anything. So yeah, let's open text editor. So I have made the file test.c before, so I will write like hashtag include stdio.h. Now integer main bracket curly braces. Now I will assign a value to x, like for example integer x equals to 20 and integer y equals to 5. Now I will write like integer sum equals to x plus y, now semicolon. You have to write semicolon because it is must to write to run the and debug the code. So yeah, I will use now the last step, print function, like printf bracket inverted commas percentage d comma sum and semicolon. So why I've written percentage d? Because if you are using integer and assigning a value, you have to use percentage d, because we have to use percentage d for the integer. But if you're using character, then we will use percentage c. If you are using float, then you can use percentage f and etc. So yeah, it's done. Now I will press Ctrl plus H so that it can save my code. Now I will press function key and F11 from my keyboard so that it can run and debug the code. So yeah, what it says 25, and what I said that you have to add x and y, means you have to add 20 plus 5, and it's 25. Now I press enter so that it can continue. Now I can also write like for example like subtract integer subtract equals to x minus y, and I will change the name subtract. Now I will press Ctrl plus S and function key plus F11, and you can see it's 15. As I told before that 20, it says that x minus y, means 20 minus 5 is 15. That's right. Now press enter key. Now I can also write like for example multiplication equals to x into y. Now I will change subtract to multiplication. Now press Ctrl S, then function key plus 11. So it will multiply 20 and 5, so it will be 100. Now I can also write like for example divide equals to this sign and change multiplication to divide. Now press Ctrl S and function key plus F11. So yeah, it says 4 because 20 will be divided. If 20 will be divided by 5, it will be 4, like 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So yeah, I'll press continue. So yeah, this is how you can create a program in C language to regarding operators. So if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel, Microsoft Engineering Khalid. See you in next video, and take care.